Illustrations by Pete.
Hi everyone, welcome to another video. Today is going to be a little bit of a short one, but it's going to be a very simple mountain landscape. I've done something similar to this before when I did the 4 watercolor paintings. I just want to do one again, something a little bit simpler, and it will be a little bit shorter, but I'm going to be doing another video probably later in the week. That's going to be a short. It's going to be an automatic drawing, maybe a 30-second or 45-second automatic drawing, and then I'm going to either try to get in later in the week after that another video, or possibly the Monday video will be me taking that automatic drawing and using it as a base and drawing some abstract art over the top of it and see if I can do something like that. Just a little experiment that I wanted to try. But for this one, this technique is something I've done before, and I just use almost like a dry brush technique where I put on heavy load of pigment and then go over it with a little bit of water and just kind of move that color around a little bit, make it look like a snow-capped mountain or something similar to that. Anyway, I did not want this to be a continuation of the last video that I did. And if you haven't seen that, I'm going to put a link in the top that shows you that video. It's a related topic, but it's not the same exact thing. There's not a whole lot of things that make me angry when I hear other people's opinion, or I listen to something, whether it's on YouTube or if I listen to a podcast or anything. There's not a whole lot that makes me angry, but there's one thing that gets me a little bit upset, and that is when someone else thinks they have the right to tell you when you should be giving up on your dreams. Not for myself, because I usually don't pay any attention to those people, but when they do that to other people, that's what bothers me. When they stop encouraging those people and tell them, you know what, and it's a tactic. It's most of the people doing it have motivational, it's a motivational speech, a motivational book, a motivational channel on YouTube. But it could be for art. It could be if you want to start your own business washing cars. It doesn't really matter what it's about. But they tell you, well, at this point, if you've been doing this for this long, then at this point in time, you know, you should already be at a certain level. And if you're not, well, you gave it a good shot, but maybe this just isn't for you. And that's a motivational tactic. It's something they're trying to get you, they're trying to solicit an emotional response where you say, I don't want to be done. I don't, and then you push harder. I understand the concept, but a lot of people don't have that understanding when they hear that, and they really do give up on what they want to do. And I think that's a tragedy. I think if you are not encouraging people and instead you're making them give up on what they really want to do, and they will always have that nagging failure in the back of their mind, and they're really not ready to give up. There are times when you try something and you give it your best shot, and you know when you've given it everything that you can, and you know if you're done. And that happened to me several times in different businesses and different things that I've done, where I just say, you know what, this is not working out for me. It's time to change gears here and take advantage of this other time that I have and been spending on this and put it somewhere else. But I get to decide that, not someone else. And don't let anybody else decide that for you. If you've been pushing hard with something, you're not getting the results you want, just figure out a different way to go about it. If you know you're not done and you know that you're going to regret giving up at that moment, don't do that. Just find another way around and keep giving it everything you have. Okay, well, that's about it for this one. I hope you take that advice. Don't give up, because you don't want to regret that. Well, here's a couple more videos you might enjoy, and I will see you in the next video. Bye.